Hey guys, I want to show you an easy, quick hack to have your food processor work better when you're making almond butter. I use a pound of almonds and 12 Brazil nuts, because Brazil nuts is higher in fat and it is easier on your food processor. And I just process it for 5 minutes and then I add a teaspoon of sea salt to it and then run it another minute. And it's nice and creamy. I'm going to get this spatula here and let you see. It makes it nice and creamy. Now you can run it longer if you want and make it more creamy, whatever, but that's plenty good enough for us. Now, another thing I wanted to add is, while you are at it and you've already got your food processor out, why not go ahead and make hummus with your almond / Brazil nut butter. Okay, this makes 1 pint. And then I use, this has got the seal inside. And there is your 1 pint of your almond Brazil nut butter. Now, this is all ready to go for the hummus. So I'm going to measure out 4 tablespoons of the almond Brazil nut butter. Use the cumin, but I sprinkle a little bit of smoked paprika on the top of it. I don't use the cumin because LP doesn't like it. So. Okay, I'm just going to whip this till smooth, and I don't add any other, broth from the chickpeas. It's not necessary. Okay, you can keep running however long you want as far as for smoothness, but or chunkiness. And this is the way that LP likes it. This makes nearly a quart. You can see where it goes to. And it lasts 4 or 5 days, around that. It's usually gone in 5 days, so it probably would even last a little bit longer because of the lemon juice and the salt in it as a preservative. Guys, it can't get any easier if you want nut milk than to do this. This is 4 dates. Now you can omit the dates if you don't want it, some sweetness in it. A half a teaspoon of vanilla, you can omit that if you don't like vanilla in your milk. And a half a teaspoon of salt. And 4 tablespoons of the nut butter. And 1 quart of water add to it, and then you just whip it up for a few minutes, and you got yourself nut milk. So here is your nut milk. And of course it foams up, so you have to be ready with a quart jar and a pint jar, and it fits perfectly in there.